Take the Stargate anywhere. Where would I go? That is such a hard question.
I want to know everyone else's answer to this question.
If I could go anywhere through the Stargate,
oh, that's a really, really difficult one.
And I know this is gonna sound so cheesy.
If I could take the Stargate anywhere.
I would take it to Egypt.
My most favourite country in the world is India. I love India. I've been to India a couple of times. And I would stick a Stargate in India in the north, in Rajasthan, in the middle of the desert, and that would do me perfectly.
there's no question I would go to my grandmother's kitchen in North Carolina and have her cook me a meal anytime at my request.
See, that is exactly why everyone is gonna love Brian. It's because you see him and you're like, oh, he looks like a model. Then he talks and you're like, oh, but he's sweet. It drives me nuts.
That might be the 10th chevron. I think that's my grandmother's address.
I would want to sit in on the meeting where the cat who pitched the idea of the pyramids gave the pitch to the pharaohs and then broke down mathematically how exactly he was going to create these structures in the middle of nowhere. That's where I would take the Stargate.
It would be to a parallel universe where this stuff is real. I want to go to a world where we don't have to fantasize about what it'd be like to be interacting with aliens and flying spaceships and jetpacks or transporters. I want to know that this stuff is something that we can really use. So if there's a way for a solar flare to happen as somebody was turning on the kitchen lights and running a blender at the same time, with a Stargate would malfunction and send me to that world, I wouldn't complain.
You know, I kind of like where the Destiny is going. It's going somewhere we've never been. I like the idea that we have no idea what's on the other end of the universe. So it's kind of a neat journey in itself. And I don't know, I think it's pretty spectacular.